Creative Stamping has a special edition, and wait till you see what is included in here. Of course, there's a magazine. After all, this is from our friends at Practical Publishing, but look what else you get. For the boys, all of these stamps, and for the girls, all of those stamps. Look at the size of those clear stamps. Wow. And you're also going to get some papers included. Now, the cutouts are great, and if they work for you, super. But if they don't, never fear. These papers are double-sided. There you go, so you can see it. I guess that first one wasn't, but you get your choice of one side or the other. And the others are double-sided, as you can see. So I'm looking at the feminine grouping right now, and here's the masculine grouping with their own set of cutouts as well as double-sided paper. So as you can see, lots of good things coming with this, but what I really love is how they help us with ideas for using them. Now I'm just going to flip through. I've put some post-it notes on some of the projects that really caught my attention. There are many projects in here. As a matter of fact, there are 72, and most of them use what's in the kit, so that's just great. We've got ideas for her. As you can see, I love the gatefold card, and how we have more here for the boys. Lots of ideas. I think that's just really nice, very, very fun to do. It just goes on and on and on. So you can see just some really lovely, I think that's just a very simple card, but so really useful and sweet. And that's just using one of the very little stamps here. There you go. And how ways that you might use it. And of course, they do have the papers included. Let me flip through here. These are shaped cards for the guys, so if you want to take advantage of those, that might be fun. I've never seen a saw-shaped card, but that looks fun to make. And then we have even more. This is a coloring section using the boys section. Oh, isn't that look great? And we also have coloring for a women's section. So lots of ideas. Let me flip back here. 15-minute wonders is what this section is called. So that's very fun. And then if you're in a hurry, it's another way of saying you need to do it in a dash. And lots of ideas. And even sometimes you'll find things in here that's showing other kits, and I'll tell you, we're going to have them. So all of this is for you. Creative Stamping special issue number 2, and we're happy to have these in stock, and we're really proud that these are a Paper Wishes exclusive.